Hello and welcome to this YouTube video about ChatGPT and the Talk-to-ChatGPT Text-to-Speech Chrome extension. As you may know, ChatGPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI. It has been designed to understand natural language and generate responses to questions or prompts. It can answer a wide range of questions, from trivia to more complex queries. But what if you want to interact with ChatGPT without typing? That's where the Talk-to-ChatGPT Chrome extension comes in. This extension allows you to speak to ChatGPT directly, using your voice instead of typing. To get started, you'll need to install the Talk-to-ChatGPT extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once installed, you can activate the extension by clicking on the Talk-to-ChatGPT icon in your Chrome browser. When you activate the extension, a small window will appear where you can speak your question or prompt. The extension will then send your voice input to ChatGPT, which will generate a response in text format. But that's not all. The Talk-to-ChatGPT extension also includes a text-to-speech feature. This means that once you receive a response from ChatGPT, you can have it read out loud to you by clicking on the Speak button. The text-to-speech feature supports multiple languages, so you can have your response read back to you in your preferred language. Overall, the Talk-to-ChatGPT extension is a great way to interact with ChatGPT in a more natural and intuitive way. Whether you're curious about a certain topic, looking for help with a problem, or just want to have a conversation, the Talk-to-ChatGPT extension can help you do it with ease. So why not give it a try and see how ChatGPT can help you with your questions and queries? Thanks for watching.